this point, I pretty much have almost everything done. Motherboard's right there with the giant cool fan. We had so much trouble putting it on. I almost rage quit and killed myself. It's the RAM. It's the PSU. It's the optical drive in there. Hard drives right there in it already. And the SSD is actually, I think, right here should be. Yeah, just a bunch of wires. So at this point, all we have to do is install the GPU. I might get really unlucky and our computer won't even start. Hopefully it doesn't happen. Hopefully we did everything right. RIP.